Hello everyone, welcome to one of another Oracle SQL tutorial. Today we are going to talk about NVL function. What is NVL function? NVL function converts a null value to an actual value. Data types that can be used are date, character, and number. Data types must match NVL commission percentage with 0, NVL hire date 1st January 1997, NVL job ID, no job ID. So I have one example for better understanding of NVL function for beginners. So here I have example. We have employee table. The first name is null and employee ID is 100. So if you look to this query, select first name employee ID from employees where employee ID is 100. So what will be the output? Of course, because the first name is null, so the output will be null and the employee ID is 100. But instead of printing null, so I would like to print something meaningful, not the null. Let's say value not available. Instead of null, I would like to go with value not available. So then use NVL function. In this case, you can use NVL to replace the null value with a meaningful value not available. Then select first name employee ID. Here you can use NVL first name, replace it, whatever value is with the first name, replace it value not available from employees where employee ID is 100. What will be the output? First name, value not available, and employee ID is 100. So instead of printing the report with null, so this is more meaningful, value not available. So you replace a null with value not available. Using the NVL function, let's see the example. Select last name, salary, NVL, commission percentage. You want to replace commission percentage with 0 if the commission percentage is null. So the usage of NVL is like replace null value with meaningful value. Then salary multiplied by 12 plus salary multiplied by 12 and multiply NVL commission percentage with 0 as annual salary from employees. So let's see this example. Here we go. So whatever the commission percentage was null, we replaced with 0. And then this is the annual salary, like salary multiplied by 12 plus salary into 12 into NVL, then commission percentage with 0. Using NVL2 function, select last name salary, commission percentage, NVL2 commission percentage, salary plus commission percentage, salary as income from employees where department ID in 50 and 80. Let's see this example. So here we go. We have commission percentage and income. Income is commission percentage. You replace it salary plus commission percentage, replace it as a salary. Using null f function, select first name length, first name expression 1, last name length, last name expression 2, null f, length, first name, length, last name, result from employees. Here, as you can see, if expression 1 and expression 2 is equal, then the result will be null. As you can see, Cortez first name length is 6 and Davies last name length is 6. So the result will be, if you use the null f, so it's going to be null. What happens if expression 1 doesn't match expression 2? Then on that case, the expression 1 will be displayed. So let's see the example. Select first name, length, first name expression 1, last name, length, last name expression 2, null f, length, first name, length, last name, result from employees. There we go. Using the Cholesky function. The advantage of Cholesky function over the NVL function is that the Cholesky function can take multiple alternate values. If the first expression is not null, the Cholesky function returns that expression. Otherwise, it does Cholesky of the remaining expression. Let's see the example. Select last name, salary, commission percentage, Cholesky. Salary plus commission percentage into salary. Salary plus 2000 as new salary from employees. It, so let's see the example. There you go. So salary, commission percentage as new salary. Thank you so much. Please do not forget to subscribe my channel and see you in the next video. Thank you so much.